We'll just discuss it later, no? And well, in fact, if you want to speak something about what really transpired during your conversation with Grijaldo, may we ask you to vacate your position as co-chair and be one of the spokesperson or the resource person.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. As a matter of fact, that's what I intend to do, to inhibit myself in the discussion about this issue. And together, maybe with Chairman Abante, we will be trying to relieve temporarily our chairmanship.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Mr. Chairman, second to the last na lang po to. We have also received a letter coming from Mercado and Associates Law Office representing Police Colonel Hector Grijaldo, and attached with is a contract between Police Colonel Grijaldo and the services of Mercado and Associates Law Office, and the letter was signed by Attorney J.P. Mercado. Is Attorney Mercado present? Comsec? Attorney Mercado? Okay. Mr. Chairman, we defer discussion on the letter of Hector Police Colonel Grijaldo, since the lawyer of the good Colonel Grijaldo is present. We will just ask the lawyer later, Mr. Chairman. And his official entry of appearance in today's hearing. Now, lastly, Mr. Chairman, just a while ago, we have received now.
Mr. Chair.
No?
With the indulgence of the Honorable Paduano.
With the indulgence of Congressman Paduano, Congressman Acop, you're recognized.
May I know if Colonel Grijaldo has an excuse letter insofar as his absence in today's hearing is concerned?
None. Attached herewith is the letter, no cover letter of coming from the lawyer himself, and at the same time only attached medical certificates without a letter excuse coming from Colonel Grijaldo, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, may I move that we issue a show cause order to Colonel Grijaldo to explain his absence in today's hearing in spite of the invitation made. So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to issue a show cause order to Colonel Grijaldo for being absent today. Any second?
Second.
Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
And lastly, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Yeah,
just on the topic of Colonel Hector Grijaldo, I was going through the pages that were sent regarding his absence. Nakikita ko po dito sa kanyang patients first. Apparently, this is a medical explanation kung why he is not here, because he's suffering from shoulder pain. Unfortunately, Mr. Chair, there is no date indicated in the prescription letter. Other than that, on another page of his medical certificate, again, there is no date mentioned in his letter that he has forwarded to the committee. So, I would just like to find out, Mr. Chair, is this verified and true?
maybe we can ask his lawyer, Your Honor. We will defer the discussion on the matter of Colonel Grijaldo.
Okay, I will defer to the better judgment of the chair. It's just something that I noticed when I was going through the documents. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman.
DSJJ.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congressman Fernandez.
Well, dapat hindi na po ako magsasalita about this because he mentioned our name in the affidavit that he testified in the Senate. And accordingly, when I saw the yung motion po ni Chairman Acop, ngayon ko lang po nga nakita na wala siyang excuse letter, and justified po yung pag-move for the show cause order. And at the same time, nung binanggit naman ni DS also yung pong medical certificate, I think this is a prescription. And accordingly, nakalagay po dito yung kanyang problema, yung chronic left shoulder dislocation, and there are like procedure for MRI. Maybe we can ask the PIHAW, no? Kasi I believe that andito ba yung PIHAW natin sa PNP? Because
Mr. Chairman,
yes,
Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Congressman Co-Chair Dan Fernandez, we'll just discuss it later, no? And well, in fact, if you want to speak something about what really transpired during your conversation with Grijaldo, may we ask you to vacate your position as Co-Chair and be one of the spokesperson or the resource person.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. As a matter of fact, that's what I intend to do, to inhibit myself in the discussion about this issue. And together, maybe with Chairman Abante, we will be trying to relieve temporarily our chairmanship in order to discuss this in transparent and impartial and honest investigation on this matter, because this pertains to the integrity of this Quadcom, and we don't want that this Quadcom be deluged with so many bad comments about what Chairman Abante and this representation have done in order to ferret the truth about the conformity of Colonel Grijaldo. Unfortunately, he's not here right now, and he is sick, and that saddened us as well, because we wanted really the members to ask him about what really happened, if there was really indeed a coercion and harassment that was done by Chairman Abante and myself. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And with that, if we will be discussing our issue with Colonel Grijaldo already, this representation on I will be yielding my position as a chairman of this committee.
Mr. Chair. Thank you, Congressman Fernandez.
And also be subjected to the procedure of a resource person, if indeed we need to be subjected to the procedure being undertaken by this committee.
Okay, that's noted, Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Fernandez. Before that, Congressman Adjong, let me ask if Congressman Paduano is already done with your
Not yet, Mr. Chairman. This will be the last invitees.
Just a matter of
with the indulgence of Congressman Paduano.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw.